Hi, my name is José and today we're going to be laser cutting.
To get started, open your design file in Adobe Illustrator. Check to make sure that your artwork is set up properly, including scale, document color space, and stroke weight and color. Your artboard dimensions should be the same as your material size. In the Print menu, select the Trotec engraver as the printer and then navigate to the Setup menu. Input your artboard dimensions, select your material, and then click the Job Control button. Update the media size to user-defined paper and click Print. Turn on the laser cutter and open the hood. Place your material in the top left or top right corner, making sure that the material is flat. Focus the laser to the material using the focusing tool. Close the laser cutter hood. Open Job Control and connect to the laser cutter. Find your project in the job queue and position it in the same corner as your material. Turn on the fan and press the play button. The laser cutter will begin the job, starting with engraving and then moving on to cutting. Stay with your work until the laser cutter finishes the job. Wait for smoke to clear and then remove your project from the machine. You're all done. Enjoy your finished piece.